how you doing? So yes, get ready with me. You see my foundation is on. I'm probably sure you saw in the title. We're going to be using some eyeshadows from Deck of Scarlet. I've heard about this prescription plan, I would say, all over YouTube. So I had the opportunity to try it out. So I'm super excited. I didn't open it all the way yet. I didn't, kind of venture out with it. But hey, we're going to get ready and we're going to see how it looks. So what I'm liking so far about it is the box. You guys know I love boxes. I love packaging. And that it doesn't seal the deal with me, but it kind of gets me excited because I love to store stuff. I'm all about storing. So the box is cute, nice and chic, just all black. And it has Deck of Scarlet on the box like that. You open it up. I have a cute little personalized note in here. That's for me. And yeah, I like personalized notes. The little hearts and things like that. Really, really cute. And here on the box, it lets you know that you're in. So it lets you know you're in when you open the actual box. It comes with a nice little cute greeting card that I got here, personalized to me, which I do like, so thank you. And it comes with a nice little envelope here. I have not opened it yet, so I'm going to open that. And then it lets you know here who is the artist-in-chief of the season, which is Nika Joy. So all the information is here on the back. I believe these are all YouTubers that get the season. So that's really cool, And what else? This is palette number 6. So how this prescription plan works is you go on the website, you sign up. I think it's $29.95 or $99, something like that. I'll put all the information down below. And you get to pick the actual month or the season. So it's every 2 months the palette comes out because they work with the actual artist-in-chief who's going to be on the particular box. And then you can they send your box to you. And then the cool thing about it, you can kind of collect the decks. They like the decks of Scarlet. And you're usually going to get either 2 lipsticks, some eyeshadows, a contour blush, something like that. It just depends on what the actual artist-in-chief is going to design the actual palette of. So that's kind of cool. It lets you know what that particular artist-in-chief likes, and it can kind of compliment you. So let's see. Open it up. You pull off this little sleeve here. This is some really good quality here. This is not like nothing flimsy. This is really, really nice quality. And you get here, what is this? This is a long-lasting liquid liner in Galaxy. So I'm not sure what Galaxy is. Ooh, black. Ooh, it's a felt tip, so you gotta keep it closed nice and tight. We'll get into this later. Always good to have a nice liquid liner, right, ladies? So you pull out your palette. It's right here. I'm gonna put all this stuff to the side. So this is the actual palette, how it comes. On the back, it lets you know there's a little spill behind it, and you can kind of create, ultra elegant, darkly darling palette. This is cute. This is really cute. Pull out the sleeve. This is really, really cute. This is extra. This is extra. So you open the palette, and on this side you have the lipsticks, and the shades that you have is Astro and Venus, which is pretty and cute. I like this shade. I'm kind of getting into these shades a lot here. Then you have the actual shadows, which are really, really nice. So let's see how they work on my skin tone because I am darker. Okay. Nice mirror over here. This is really cute. You can just do your makeup. It's really, really cute. Okay, let's just get into it. I'm rambling too much. So I'm trying out a new foundation. I'm going to leave it down below. It's not new. It's new to me. Let me know if you use it, if you like it. Leave it down in the comments. Let's kind of have a little chit chat about it. I like it so far, but I'm not going to really get into it. But yeah, let's pull the hair back. So right off the back, what I like about this is that you can actually close down the lipsticks, because you don't want to get your eyeshadows caught up in your lipstick. That's oof. So we have here, let's get into the actual shades. Use my pointer here. I'm assuming these are the shadows and these are the highlight and the contour. This is Aurora, Space, and Gravity. And this is Stardust, and this is Stella. What I'm going to use, I'm going to take Stella, which is the, look like that could be the contour, the bronzer, something like that. And I'm going to put that in my crease because it's nice and it's warm. And I go for a nice warm crease. So far, so good. It's nice. It's neutral. You know, I work, so I like to have eyeshadows that are definitely work friendly. And in makeup, there's no rules, so you don't have to use it how you see it. Even though this may be the contour or the bronzer, I'm going to use it as my crease color. So right off the bat, for me, this right here can be, this is a good crease color for me. In addition to, since it's so deep, it would be a nice contour bronzer. Just go kind of light-handed with it. So that's good so far. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a nice tapered blending brush. I'm going to take Space, which is right here. And I'm just going to kind of deepen in the crease. I'm not going to use Gravity because I'm not going for a deep look like that today, where you deepen in the crease. Now this is going on, it's deepening in, and you can kind of see it. You probably can't see it in my camera, but it's just putting some nice definition in the crease. So now I'm going to go into Aurora, which is a nice lid shade. And it could be a nice highlight shade too, just depending on how you use it. Now this particular shade has a ton of fallout. But let's see how it works. It's pretty. So I'm going to wet my brush because there's a lot of fallout, and this will help it from spinning around, you know, all the powder, and then it'll help it give it a little bit more color power because we're dampening the actual brush. I'm just using some setting spray. So that's nice. Okay. So, as you can see, I went and I put my liquid liner on, I put some mascara on, I put on some eyeliner in addition to I highlight under my eye. And so far, so good. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to see how this is going to work as a highlighter on my cheeks. It's not strong, so it may, you know, it may go well. So let me get a nice little brush here. I don't have any other brushes in front of me. Do you guys ever get to the point where you feel like every brush you have is dirty? Okay, that's pretty. It's called Stardust. You see it? It's cute. Work friendly. So now I'm going to go in, I'm going to use one of the lipsticks here. I have a lip brush. I lined my lips with a brown liner. I'll leave that information down below. And I'm going to go into Astra. I haven't wore a lipstick to this capacity in years, where you use a brush. The only thing about this particular that would bother me, if the lipstick looks good and you're doing a makeup look, this is just food for thought, you know. And you like how it looks, it's in the palette. You can't, you know, what if you're going out and you want to retouch up? That's the only thing. Oh my God, this is pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my God. See, now I would want to have this in a tube or something. Oh my God. Guys, I like this look. It's simple, it's cute, You can glam it up even more by using gravity on the end, on your outer V, making it more than what it is. Guys, I'm eating goobers. I love goobers. Let me show you. I love these. I love goobers. I can't get enough of these. I buy them by like 5 at a time, and I put them in the refrigerator. I just love goobers. Oh my God. But anywho, back to this. This is the final look. Isn't it pretty, guys? Oh, it's so simple. The lipstick is so pretty, and it's not like, you know how some lipstick or lipstick where you have to use a brush can be kind of clumpy or greasy, you know, because so much wax in it to keep. It feels like an actual lipstick was just melted in a pot. It feels good. I love my eyes. I love it. I love it. I love it. Guys, I'm going to leave some information down below for you to check it out. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've tried any of the decks before, because I want to know. I do have one more deck. I will show you that later on down the line. But yes, this is really, really pretty. I like it. I like the concept. The only thing is, for me, I would probably create the same look, and I would probably use just this and this after a while. So you can create plenty of looks, you know, you can use things all over the list. You can kind of get creative, and you can mix the decks as well. So that's kind of good. But however, I like it. Number 6, I like it. Thank you to the guys over at Deck of Scarlet. I really appreciate it. I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.